The P2004 diagnostic trouble code is a specific error that appears in Nissan Altima vehicles. This code indicates intake manifold runner control stuck open bank 1. The intake manifold runner control system uses butterfly valves within the intake manifold to control airflow. These valves optimize engine performance by improving torque at low RPMs and power at high RPMs. The engine control module continuously monitors the position of these valves. When the ECM detects that a valve is stuck in the open position, it triggers the P2004 diagnostic trouble code. Several factors can cause the P2004 code. The most common cause is carbon buildup on the valve components, which prevents proper valve operation. Other causes include a failing actuator motor, broken linkage, or electrical issues such as wiring problems or a malfunctioning position sensor. The diagnostic process for P2004 code begins with systematic verification and testing. First, use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P2004 code and check for any related diagnostic trouble codes. Next, perform a visual inspection of the intake manifold and electrical connections. Look for obvious damage, corrosion on connectors, and check vacuum lines if your system uses vacuum operation. Test the actuator function using a scan tool to command valve operation. Check the voltage supply, typically 12 volts, and verify ground circuit continuity and signal wire integrity. There are 3 main repair options depending on the diagnosis. Carbon cleaning involves removing carbon deposits from the valve and has a success rate of about 60 to 70%. Actuator replacement involves replacing the electric motor or vacuum-operated device that controls valve position. This method has an 85 to 90% success rate. Complete system replacement is necessary when multiple components are damaged. This is the most expensive option, but has a success rate of 95% or higher. After completing any repair, it's essential to clear the diagnostic trouble codes and perform a relearn procedure. This ensures the engine control module properly calibrates the new or cleaned components.